Hello everyone, welcome to VidsTube. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking. Here is where I review tech like these earbuds, headphones, smartwatches, smartphones, etc. So if you're into that kind of stuff, consider subscribing. Today I'll review the SkullCandy Spoke True Wireless Earbuds for you to decide if they are worth it. So let's get started. The SkullCandy Spoke earbud at the time of filming this video are listed for only $49.99 Canadian dollar on Amazon, or you can get it from skullcandy.ca. You can find the links in the video description. They came in a box like this one, which is pretty good for the price you pay. You can see the amount of details and designing they have included on the box. Now inside the box there is the SkullCandy Spoke earbuds, which are unconventionally not inside the charging case, but rather they are on the side. There is the charging case for these earbuds inside a plastic wrap. The charging case is rather unique, with a boxy rectangular design which does catch your attention instantly. More to it later during the video. Inside the accessory Ziploc bag, you will find a USB-A to micro USB charging cable. I really wish these earbuds had a USB Type-C charging port like the Vankyo Alpha X150 earbuds that I recently reviewed, and the video is linked at the end of this video. Now there are 3 pairs of ear tips, 2 of them are already on the earbuds, but it's really important that you try out and select the right fit for you to have an immersive sound experience. There is a user manual, but boy, they have simplified everything for you on just one card. On one side it has the setup process, and on the other side are all the controls, which I'll show it to you guys later during the video. But every earbud manufacturer should provide such a card for ease with getting used to all the functions versus a hefty user manual. Now let me talk about the design. As said earlier, the SkullCandy Spoke True Wireless Earbud charging case is unconventional with a boxy rectangular design. There is the SkullCandy logo camouflaged on the lid. Now at the back under the hinge, there is a micro USB charging port. I really wish it had a USB Type-C charging port so I can use a whole bunch of USB Type-C chargers lying around in my house. At the bottom there are some regulatory informations. On the front there is a latch to easily open the lid, and under it there are 3 LED lights used for indication of the battery level for the case. Now the hinge is quite robust and gives you a nice satisfying click, and it's a bit difficult to open and close with one hand. The entire case is very lightweight, however it's not the lightest. Vankyo Alpha X150 has the lightest case, and the heaviest case for the earbud that I have seen so far is the Vankyo Alpha X200, which also has an LED battery level percentage indicator, and it has a 3500 mAh battery size. Definitely check out its review linked at the end of this video, as these are by far the longest lasting earbuds. Well, for perspective, these SkullCandy Spoke earbuds are about the same to the Galaxy Buds Live in terms of weight. Both these SkullCandy Spoke and the Galaxy Buds Live have a matte finished case, which is my personal favorite, as I prefer them over the shiny and glossy fingerprint magnet case like for the Apple AirPods Pro and this Vankyo Alpha X150 case. Guys, if you're looking for earbuds, definitely check out the playlist for earbuds and headphones linked in the video description, as I have reviewed a ton of earbuds and headphones. Now in terms of earbuds, they are a bit bulky, but they do not have a stem like the Apple AirPods Pro. SkullCandy has their logo embedded on the side rather than on the front. On the front there is a microphone, and to my surprise there is a clickable button for all the controls, versus nowadays most of the earbuds manufacturers have a tactile touchpad versus a button. Buttons, in my opinion, have their own advantage, as you can never get those accidental touches. You have to press that button. At the back there are 2 charging pins with right or left indicator. Overall the design is good. They fit really well provided you have selected the right size of ear tips. Well, if you haven't selected the right size of ear tips, they can slide out of your ear canal and fall. From my testing with the right size of ear tips, they definitely survived the head shake test, and I even took them for indoor treadmill run and they didn't fall off. So far for me, the best fit earbuds are the Apple AirPods Pro, and the worst fit were the Galaxy Buds Live, which inherently lacks the in-ear design, which is hygienic but they tend to fall off easily. Both Galaxy Buds Live and the Apple AirPods Pro have active noise cancelling, which is not available on these SkullCandy Spoke, which is expected for the price you pay, but because of the in-ear design and the right fit of the ear tips, they do pretty good with noise isolation. Okay, with all that said, let's briefly talk about the pairing or setup process, which is super easy and self-explanatory. Right out of the box, place the earbuds in the charging case until the LED lights on both of them turns red. Then remove them from the case, which will put the earbuds in a pairing mode. Go on the Bluetooth setting of your phone, find Spoke, and connect them. That's it. Now, in case if you want to pair these earbuds with another device, you have to clear and reset them by pressing the button and holding it for 10 seconds while they are turned off. You also have to go in the Bluetooth settings of your previous phone and unpair or forget these Spoke in order for your other phone to be able to discover them. But overall, these SkullCandy Spoke True Wireless Earbuds are very good with the connection quality. From my testing, the connection has never dropped, no dropped calls, and they never got disconnected. Now let's talk about the controls. To power them on, you have to press and hold the button on either side for 2 seconds and hold for 4 seconds to power them off. Once they are turned on, you can press and hold for 2 seconds on the right side to skip a track forward and do the same on left side to skip a track backwards. Press twice on the right side to turn up the volume and press twice on the left side to turn down the volume. Now this is my favorite, and not having the volume control can be a deal breaker as you don't want to reach to your phone for volume control during a workout. Most of these budget earbuds lack this feature, which really sucks, but kudos to SkullCandy for having it. Now to play or pause a track, you just have to press once on either side, and you can do the same to answer or end a call. Now to activate the voice assistant, you have to press 3 times on either side, which is again my favorite, and not a lot of budget earbuds have this feature. With this, I certainly can summon Siri, Bixby, or Google Assistant, and the cool part is that the Siri talks back via the earbuds, and this feature is so helpful. So this SkullCandy earbuds packs a lot of my favorite features like volume control, ability to summon voice assistant, and as soon as they are out of the case and connected, you can directly start playing the default music player without even going on the phone. You can also control other music players like Spotify, Amazon Music, YouTube Music, Deezer, Pandora, etc. Lastly, you can press 4 times on either side to enter or exit the equalizer mode. Guys, if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for sticking around, and please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Do it guys, it won't cost you a dime. With that said, let's talk about the battery life, sound quality, and wrap this video up with my final say. In terms of battery life, from my testing, these earbuds can easily go up to about 4 hours per charge with continuous listening, and you can charge these earbuds up to about 2 to 3 times from the case if it's fully charged. The case takes about 3 hours to fully charge, and you can easily make out the battery level from these 3 LED lights. So overall, from my testing, the battery life is decent for the price you pay, and I'm sure it will work for most of you guys. Now in terms of sound quality, it's hard for me to make you guys discern the audio quality of any earbud on a YouTube video, but from my experience with using a ton of earbuds and headphones, these are way better than any average budget wireless earbuds. These SkullCandy Spoke earbuds are cheaper than the Vankyo and NS Series 10 earbuds, but boy, they sound better than them. Especially if you are a bass heavy person, you will really like the bass that these earbuds pump out. And for those who don't like that bass boost, you can activate the equalizer mode to normalize the sound. But overall, the trebles, the highs, the mids, and even the vocals are pretty decent for an earbud that is under 50 bucks. These SkullCandy Spoke earbuds are easy to recommend for this price point. They do offer a variety of earbuds, including those with true active noise cancellation, and I have linked them in the video description. Be sure to check them out. Also, the audio quality over a Bluetooth audio call was crystal clear. The receiver on the other end was able to hear me out loud and clear, but these are not the best if you talk a lot with the earbuds, as if you're in a high background noise environment, the receiver will also hear that. Apple AirPods Pro are the best for audio calls irrespective of the background noise, but boy, they cost $260. Now I have tried using these SkullCandy Spoke earbuds for a continuous of 2 hours listening, and they do not cause a headache or that nagging fatigue that you get with using a cheap quality earbud like this fake Apple AirPods. So here's my final verdict. If you're looking for a good quality budget earbud for under 50 Canadian dollar, these are bang on. Just go and get it. Not because they are cheap, but they have a lot of features that many budget earbuds miss out, like the ability to control volume, summon voice assistant like Siri, etc., equalizer mode, ability to play a track directly from the earbud without reaching out to your phone, and they offer a decent sound experience. It's not the best, but it's the best for the price you pay. Battery life and the audio call quality is also decent. The fitting is okay provided you have the right size of ear tips, and the noise isolation is also good provided you have the right size of ear tips. Okay, that is it with this review. Check out the links in the video description if you want to purchase them, and consider subscribing for such detailed tech reviews. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and follow me on my other social media accounts for early preview to upcoming videos and free giveaways. Links are in the description of all my videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care. I'll catch you guys in the next one.